Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Angela. So I've done two other videos tonight. This is my last video tonight. I got 3 decks in the mail today, and I thought I'd do a walkthrough on all 3 decks. This one is the Gypsy Oracle cards, published by Los Scarabero. They were $10 on I had to slice it a little bit. Just open the door to good fortune. They're like 15, 16 bucks the other day when I saw them. And then I got the bags. Let me get my scissors here. I saw the Wildwood Tarot, which I'm uploading now. That was on sale. And then as I was buying this one said it was $10. I'm like, what? So I jumped on it. And I saw this on, I think her name is Jaleesa's channel. Somebody new I just found recently. I love this dark green. That's my favorite color, green. The backs are gorgeous. They're small cards. And I was like, I need that deck. It's beautiful. It's kind of old-fashioned. And I love that it's got this green here going on. It's dark green, like a hunter green. So let's get into it. And it's typical of Scarabero with, looks like 5 languages. So here we have conversation, house. And as I was watching this, I'm like, a lot of this reminds me, it's like an Oracle deck, but it's also like a Lenormand deck. Waiting. I just think the artwork is stunning. That old school look to it. Love. Joyfulness. Money. Scholar. Hope. Faithfulness. That's beautiful. And it's a dog. Constancy. There's no book with it. Oh, actually, there is a book. Little tiny white book. Doesn't give you any information. But it does have the keywords. Lover. Sweetheart. I love the colors in this. Royal. Well, no, Lord. Room. Letter. And I can totally see using this as for mediumship work also. Gift. What does the kitty say? Falseness. Interesting. Melancholy. The tree's even depressed looking. Thought. Child. Servant. Pleasure workers. Pleasure/workers. Thief. Messenger. Wife. It's my cat meowing. Merchant. Working. I think it says working. wedding. Here he comes. He came back over to talk to me. Look how beautiful that is. Haughtiness. Kitty. Journey. Friend. Fortune. Surprise. I can't read that. Consolation. Reunion. Cheerfulness. Ooh, that's pretty. Frivolity. Service. Young woman. Doctor. Sorrow. Is that sorrow? Yep. Old woman. She's got her feet propped up on the book. Widower. Milady. Death. Wow. She's got a skull here. Size. Misfortune. That looks like a tower card. Despair. Oh wow, he's about to shoot himself. Interesting. Prison. Totally see this as a mediumistic read. Soldier. Oh wow, dropped it. We got enemy. Foe. Just the same as enemy. That's weird. And then priest. It looks like a female priest. Interesting. So that's some beautiful cards. Let me shuffle these. And if there's any spirits hanging around me that want to, make their presence known through these cards, I'm going to pick a card, and that will represent you. I'll try to fill out. Just enemy. Yeah, I'm getting that. I got that when I pulled the card. I was like, somebody's hanging around. They're mad at somebody. I don't think it's me they're mad at, but they're mad at a situation. Let's pull another card to clarify the enemy and clarify the enemy card for me. Oh, it's a letter. Interesting. Yeah, I think they got a letter about something. One more to clarify. Over a woman. That says friend. That's crazy. Because I had a falling out with a friend of mine, which was a female, almost 4 years ago. Not over a letter, but there was texting going on between us that was wound up being misunderstood, and now she's basically my enemy. That's interesting because that's what's coming up, and that I asked a spirit to come around. So I never talked to her in almost 4 years. That's quite interesting. Maybe it is for me. Maybe I need to call her sister and ask her if she's okay. But yeah, that's what I see in that. I love that little deck. I will totally use that for mediumistic purposes. Totally use that for that. And maybe either clarifiers for decks. Yeah, this is the Gypsy Oracle cards. Got it on Amazon. They're $10 right now. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, don't hesitate to comment below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you're alerted to any future videos. And y'all have a good night. Bye.